everybody. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I make my really easy but really tasty potato salad. So we've got a couple of ingredients here. We've got about 3 to 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. We're using light mayonnaise, but you can use full fat for a really creamy taste. I've also got a blend of salt and pepper, some other seasoning, some garlic paste. You can use fresh garlic if you wish, but garlic paste is just a bit quicker and easier. And then our new potatoes in water. So let's get started. So the first step is to sort your potatoes and cut them into nice bite-sized chunks. Any that are already quite small, just put in the bowl as they are. I'm going to use the same bowl to mix it all in as I'm going to serve it in, just because it saves a step and saves on washing up. I'm doing 2 tins of potatoes because we're feeding about 6 to 8 people. If it was just going to be 2 to 3 people, 1 tin would be plenty. Okay, so I've nearly finished cutting up the potatoes. As I went along, if there were any bits of the potato that didn't look very nice, I obviously just cut that off. But we're done. So next we're going to add in our mayonnaise. So as I said, I've got about 3 or 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Always add more. And then I tend to add all the ingredients at once. So I'm going to add my salt and pepper next. Some onion granules. Not too much of this, so just a sprinkling. Parsley is one of the main herbs. So we want a fair bit of parsley. That's going to give it that really nice green herby colour. You can always add more. A bit of dill, just a sprinkling. And then about a teaspoon of garlic paste. I definitely recommend tasting as you go along to see if you need to add more of anything, and then give it a good stir. You want all of the potatoes to be evenly coated with the herbs and the mayonnaise, and I find by adding the herbs to the mayonnaise before you stir it in, it kind of gets spread around a lot more evenly. So that's looking quite good. Don't think I need any more mayonnaise. I might just add a little bit more parsley, because we have got quite a lot of potato. Mix it really well, making sure that all of the potato is coated nicely. A really good tip if you want to make this even better is to add cooked crispy bacon. It's a bit of a treat. We're not going to today, but that makes it really nice. But you probably don't need to add any salt if you do that, because the bacon will be salty enough. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. That's going to be really tasty. I'm going to keep that in the fridge until I serve it, and then take it out of the fridge about 10 to 15 minutes before serving. Cover it up. But then it'll be room temperature, and I think that tastes the nicest. But if you prefer it cold, then take it straight out of the fridge. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you give it a try, and let me know if you add anything extra. Thanks for watching.